In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to quit or rather force quit unresponsive apps on your Mac. So if you have any app that is hanging or is becoming unresponsive, there are several ways you can force quit that application. So the first method is simply go to the dock. So let's go, for instance, for this application. Now, if you do a normal right click here on the app in the dock, should give you a menu or rather options. So for instance, I'll come here to the Notes app. Let me just remove this. So if you come here to the Notes app and you want to force quit this app, if you right click, then you get the quit option. Now, obviously, that's the first thing you need to try. But in case that is not working and you want to force quit, then before you right click, just hover and then press the option button on your keyboard and then right click. And now you should see the option is now force quit. So you can click on that and that's going to force quit that application. Now, another way of doing this is to go to the Apple logo in the top left corner, and then from the Apple menu, you should see the option to force quit. Of course, you can press option, command, and the power button to bring this up as well. But if you just click here, that's going to bring the force quit applications window, and you can choose which app you want to force quit. So let's say you want to force quit this one. I'll just click on it and then select force quit. It's going to ask me, do you want to force quit that app? And I'll confirm by clicking on force quit, and that app is going to get force quit. So that's another way of doing it, and you can do that for all the apps that you have open in your Mac. Now, another way you can do it is to go to the task manager, which is called Activity Monitor on Mac. So just go to Spotlight and then look for Activity Monitor. So just open that. And with that open, in a couple of moments, it's going to load all the processes running on your Mac. So what you want to do is make sure you have the CPU tab selected at the top here, and then you're going to see all the apps running on your Mac. So let's say I want to force quit this app, Apple Music. I'll just select it and then click on this X button here. So make sure I have the correct app selected. This is very sensitive, so you want to make sure you have the correct thing selected. So I'll select that and then click on this button. It's going to ask me, do I want to force quit or quit? I'll just select force quit, and that app is going to get quit. So those are the three ways of force quitting unresponsive apps on your Mac. Now, if you found any of this useful, don't forget to leave a like and possibly even subscribe for more tips. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you and talk to you in the next one. Good luck.